Thank you for loving me as I am and for teaching me. Sorry. I can't see the words now. Ooh.
Yeah, so practice 1, 2, 3. And not just over missing like.
Oh, sorry.
Tram, I'm still in awe by how beautiful you are today.
You're gonna make me cry.
I cry already. And every time I see you.
Brian, who would have thought that our first encounter at uni back in 2016 would lead us to this very moment today? Since that point, you have filled my days with so much laughter and joy. You have shown me love, respect, and have become my best friend, my rock.
It's crazy to think from when we first met at uni and how it's all led to this moment. I knew from our first date you were special. From your loving smile to your contagious laugh, I knew that all I wanted to do for the rest of my life was to keep you smiling and laughing.
One of the many things that I quickly learnt about you and admire and love you for is the love you have for your family and friends and the drive you have to support for us and our future together. Thank you for loving me as I am and for teaching me how to love myself. I know I can always rely on you when times get tough, but to also push me when I need that extra nudge of confidence.
I've never felt happier and more at ease than when I'm with you. You give my life purpose, and you are the reason I wake up in the morning. Sometimes literally, because I sleep through my alarm. I still can't believe how lucky I am to have you in my life. You've always been there for me when I needed you, supported me through the tough times, and your love has shaped me into the person I am today.
I call upon the people present to witness that I, Tram, take you, Brian, to be my wedded husband. I promise to nurture your goals and ambitions, to support you through the hard times, and to celebrate with you your triumph.
I promise to provide you the life you deserve, hopefully with a cute corgi and a cat. I promise to be there for you and our future family. I promise to cherish our time together, and I promise to support and love you until the day I die.
I promise to persevere when times get tough, knowing that any challenges we face, we will get through them together. Especially when we really get bad Pokemon pulls, I'll definitely be there for you then. I look forward to the many cute cats and dogs we'll have together as we grow old, and can't wait for you to be the father of our children. I know you'll be a great dad one day.
I can't imagine my life without you and your love you've given me. I'm grateful to have you in my life and grateful for everything you've done for me. I think back through my life and I live with no regrets, as everything I've done has led me to this point with you. You are the embodiment of my joy, and I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you.
I love you, Brian, so much, and I'm so glad that you are my first love and will be my last. I look forward to celebrating the many milestones ahead of us.
Oh my god!
You look great!
Oh my god, this is really good!
I feel like the first kiss, can't miss kid in the candy store. I might be an outcast, red flag, knocking on your door. John Cena! I'm one of a kind, not fitted in, never felt so right. I'm living my life, doing me, and it feels so nice. I'm just a human being, I wouldn't change a thing. Feels good to be me. Da 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 da. It feels good to be free. Da 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 da. Yeah. It feels good made me.